All right, guys. I got here the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. It was gifted to me. I'm gonna check it out and open it up, see what's in the box. All right, looks like you got the main grill here. Power cord. There. Ooh, this thing's big. So you got the main unit right here. Wow. I don't think I've seen an air fryer this big. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna go ahead and probably cook up some dino nuggets for the grandsons. So let's see how good it works. So we're gonna check it out. It's got a nice digital display. Most air fryers have. It's got some bunch of different presets: steak, bacon, pizza, air wings, and it's got the different modes over here, which I'm going to learn about. That's how you start it. Didn't want to do that, but you turn it on and off. You hold the button for 2 seconds. What we're going to do today is we're going to do some dino nuggies. I'm going to do some pizzas and other stuff, and hopefully I can find some cool recipes. But this thing is huge. That's why I like it. I love my air fryer that I have already, but this thing, you can, to me, you can fit more stuff, and you can do a whole, I think it's a 12-inch pizza you can do in here. And the instructions recommend, I don't know why you do it. Make sure when you put this in and out, you just go in and out, straight out, so you don't mess it up. So I'm going to go ahead and load up the dino nuggies, and I'm going to show you how it looks inside while they're in there. All right, I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's recommended, but I'm going to make some dino nuggies and some tater tots. And I'm going to play with the times and setting. They're close, the temperatures are close, the times are fairly close. So we're going to go ahead and show you how it works. I'm going to slide it in here. That's another reason I like this thing. You can fit so much in here. So I'm going to go with the tater tots at 360 and dino nuggets are 360. Same. Oh, so good. So they're both the same, it looks like. Yep. Same. So we're going to put the temperature up. Oh, it goes fast if you hold it. And then we're going to do we're going to do start, and that's it. Hold on, let me pause it. I'm not sure what's, here we go, hit air fryer. And we're going to reset it. I'm going to change it. Almost, I don't know if it would have messed it up too bad, but this is how we do it. So we're going to hit 7 minutes, and then of course we're going to check it, and we're going to see if we need to take the dino nuggets out, and then we're going to do that. All right, 2 minutes left. I'm going to check it real quick. You can hit the pause button and pull it out. Yeah, I'm thinking the tater tots are going to take a little longer. We're going to hit start back up, just like that. This thing is pretty cool. It has an app to go to it, and I'm going to show you how to pair it real quick. It says you're going to hold up and down, where it's the pair mode, which I believe it is. It's got the flashing little thing. This thing. Searching. Oh, there it is. All right. It's got the warranty information. We'll do that later. Done. And it's paired. Not quite sure what it does yet, but we'll check it out. Next, I'm gonna show you how it works. I'll show you it's got some preset modes: air fry, toast, grill, all that. You can see what it's got, and it's got some presets for different items: pizza, bacon, steak, wings, fries, and I guess items that are already frozen. And it's got the self-clean mode. So that's the app. I'm gonna play with it some more later, and I'm hoping there's some recipes and stuff on here too. So we'll check that out too. So you know the cool feature, it will tell you when your food is ready, which is pretty cool. And there's also recipes, all kinds of recipes. I'm gonna check these out, and it is actually an AI. I don't know what you do with the AI. I guess you can ask it questions and stuff like that. And that's what happens when it ends. It gives you a notification. All right, the dino nuggies are done, and I'm gonna even out the tater tots, and I'm gonna put them in air fry them 365, and I'm going to do it for another 5 minutes, but I'm gonna keep an eye out on it. There you go. And I'll wait for the app to let me know when it's done. All right, I didn't get it on camera, but it beeps when it goes off. It looks like they're perfectly cooked, and they're gonna be really good.